Welcome to this latest edition of Critchleys TV. Joined here today with Matt Williams, our Head of Accounts. Hi Matt.
Hi everybody.
In the Critchleys, well, we were wondering, because we're Oxford and therefore a bit posh, we should call this the Critchleys Arboretum.
Okay.
The Critchleys Forest. We got rid of the flowers, folks, and we just decided to be us. What we wanted to do today was two quick things. One is an announcement and one is a story. The announcement, Matt, which is quite important, is illustrated by something we got through the post today.
Indeed.
Which
is not an iPad, but it looks like an iPad.
It looks a bit like an iPad, so help me get this out. This is an unboxing. We've never done one of these before, but let's see what's inside. What is this, Matt, first of all?
This is our Xero Platinum Partner Pack that we got sent from the nice guys at Xero.
What does Platinum Partner mean?
It means that we are in the top 2%, I think, of accountancy partners with Xero in the country.
And Xero, in a nutshell, if folks haven't heard of it?
Is a cloud accounting software system that we love and our clients love.
So basically, put all of your accounts into the cloud, get rid of the box file with your receipts, get rid of the Sage that's 10 years out of date in the computer in the corner that your accountant gets to see once a sort of every 18 months or something. Move it all into the cloud, you get real-time access from your accountant.
You can collaborate with us.
You get real-time information. It's just good in so many ways. And we've decided to really stake our name on it, actually. We're really pushing this now. And this just shows that basically a lot of our clients are going onto it.
Absolutely. We're 8 to 10 clients a month are going on.
So let's just have a look at this, because this is Xero Platinum Partner. Oh,
hey,
there you go.
Certificate.
So congratulations, you, Matt, are a Platinum Partner.
Happy days.
Ta-da, Xero. Woo, thanks, Xero, for that. That can go on your car. Bumper sticker, lovely. What do we got here? Officially a Xero Platinum Partner. So look out for this when you come to reception. It just means we know what we're talking about. There's a lot of people who've been trained and understand how to use the system. So if you're interested in cloud accounting, we're the people to talk to. But this is, man, that looks like an offensive weapon. What is
this is a trophy for our reception, I think.
Platinum
that looks
Partner.
good.
And what do we got here? I need to show this to. We're not going to zoom in because we don't. I'm going to trip up on my mic lead if I do that. But we've got. What have we got here? You try and get one of those out. Ah, gotta love it. Look, lapel pin. We'll just do that.
Happy days. Don't put a hole in my suit.
Xero Platinum Partner, and he's even got a key ring.
And a key ring.
With his nice.
That's nice as well, and it's all platinum.
Thank you, Xero, for this. We're really proud to be joining the upper tier of your partner program, and we're excited to talk about that. Now, with Xero in mind, we knew this was coming, so it's not quite an unboxing, but we did just get this through the post. And I thought, Matt, I'd ask you to share a quick story of. We could talk about 3 reasons to move to the cloud or 5 reasons to do this. It's all a bit, everyone's heard that stuff before. So could you share with us a story of a real life business that you have worked with who were back in the days of maybe the lever arch folder of accounts manual or doing it on Excel or something, had an old system that wasn't working very well, moved over to Xero. Just tell us what difference it made, because that's really, I think, interesting.
So yeah, one of the first 10 or so businesses we put onto Xero was a lady that ran a shop, a little high street independent clothes shop, ladies' clothes, and her main issue, she said when we first started talking about her business, was that she felt chained to the shop. She had an old-fashioned till system, and she felt like, as much as she trusted her staff, she felt she had to be in there to do the cashing up every day, and to just make sure that
keep a finger on the pulse.
Yeah, that stock wasn't walking out the door, that cash wasn't walking out the door, and that she understood how her business was. And one of the first things we did was put her books into the cloud using Xero and got her a new till system, an electronic till system, not a big whiz-bang barcode operated one, but just a fairly rudimentary electronic till system that cashed up automatically at the end of the day and then fed into Xero at the end of that day.
All automatically?
All automatically. So it took away all of her having to take a Z reading from a till, putting it onto Excel, and then typing that into an old accounts package. It just fed in every day, which meant that she could go on holiday. She could sit on the beach and she could look on her phone.
She got her time.
Oh my gosh, we've got props as well. Indeed. So yeah, gives you back time. That's so exactly.
If you're not listening to this, but you're just watching it on the underground or something, time. That's one. But that seriously is one big reason why people choose Xero, because it does take a lot of time, because it automates stuff so intelligently.
Absolutely. There's a massive ability for business owners to stop duplication of data. Because if you imagine if you've got a CRM system or a quoting system or a diary system that runs your time for your staff and what they're doing, if you speak to some of our guys, we've got some really clever people in-house at Critchleys that can help you link different software apps to Xero to kind of give you back time and prevent duplication of data, and that's the way the world's moving.
And it's not just, there's not just a time benefit, Matt. We're talking, people also find out ways to reduce cost and even improve their income and profitability.
What they certainly do, both of those things, but they get cash paid quicker. If you use Xero correctly, every business that uses it correctly gets paid quicker because you get a handle on who owes you money and how old and overdue it is. You can do some really cool things like put your bank details onto your invoices, so you email those to your customers and it's got a link for them to pay you embedded within the email. It just gets you paid quicker. So if you're a plumber or a tradesman or a builder and you just it's all about getting cash in as quickly as possible, Xero will definitely help with that as well.
And I've certainly known as more of a consultant-based business using other apps like Go Cardless for direct debit.
Absolutely.
That can feed directly into Xero.
So it
just makes life so much easier.
Absolutely. Making tax digital is coming in. I'm sure you're going to do some videos on that. That's going to force people into the cloud. So we want to move people in early.
So there you have it, folks. I'm just going to get this glory out here. So we're really, really proud to have this. It's not just a bit of fun. It is actually quite serious. We're backing this because we do think it's the future. For little businesses, not just shop-based, till-based businesses, but service-based businesses, consultancies, tech business. Companies, all sorts, would really benefit from this. So if you do want to find out more, to talk to Matt.
And it's easy to convert. So if you're on an old desktop-based bookkeeping package or you're in Excel or you're using a cash book, all of those can be converted into Xero really easily. We've got a lady called Nuala in our digital projects team who spends her days converting businesses. So if you've got an old Sage system or a QuickBooks system, we can convert all of that old data to Xero, and Xero will do that free of charge for us.
Well, there you go. That's Critchleys TV for today. Thank you very much for watching.